Hi, I'm Mike Yoder, Northeast Sales Rep, Low Slope for the SFS Group. Today we're going to demonstrate a pull test. A pull test can be done in practically any substrate, walls, roofs, whatever you might need. Today we're going to do it on a mock-up that would be a typical roof. We have pre-made a mock-up. It basically has 3/4 inch plywood and 3/4 inch ISO with a membrane on top. A couple things for a pull test. First of all, going up on a roof, you will need the proper PPE. In this case, in here, I will just be wearing safety glasses. But you might need a harness, you might need safety shoes, hard hat. That is up to whoever is in charge of the project. The other things you will need a pull tester. This is a COM10 digital rated at 2,000 pounds. Another thing, you will need a screw gun or a drill, something to put your fastener in with. And if you're doing something that is a spike or something in concrete, you might need some other equipment. You will need a knife and possibly a saw to open the roof, and you will need the fastener that you're going to test. So that is the basic equipment you need. In this case, since we're here, I've already cut the roof, but you would take your knife or your saw, you're going to cut out the membrane to fit the size of the pull tester. So I have the membrane cut. Everything I take out of this I want to save because I'm going to put it back in because I need to patch the roof and make it watertight after the testing. So I cut the membrane out, then I also cut whatever the insulation is. In this case, it's 3/4 inch. If it was thicker, I might need to use a saw. So after I cut that out, I save that. Then I'm going to take my screw gun, take my fastener. I know this is a wood deck, so I have the proper fastener picked. I'm going to put this in. Okay, what I want to do is go approximately 1 inch through the bottom of the roof deck. So in this case, I had a 3-inch screw. I want to go 1 inch through that. Then I take my pull tester. I've already set it up with the proper foot piece. There are all kinds of foot pieces for different fasteners with different size heads. In this case, I have the proper small foot piece to fit this screw. I slide that on, I make sure my pull tester is at 0, and I start my pull. As this pulls up, I'll come against the screw. I can see my gauge is starting to engage. And when I hear it pop, the screw has, right there, my pull has ended. I will take my reading, and then I will continue on with the pull test, put everything back in place, and the roof will get patched. Thank you for joining us for this demonstration of the pull test. If anytime you need a pull test or any other information, please reach out to SFS or your local SFS salesman. See you on the roof.